Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm making a Manipuri dish which is called Ooty. This is so we make Ooty with peas, yellow peas and fresh bamboo shoot, which I've sliced it up. So let me blanch the bamboo shoot first, so later I don't get any bitter taste. Here is the water which I'm going to blanch the bamboo shoot. Why I'm blanching the bamboo shoot is like some bamboos are bitter. It has a bitter taste. So to avoid that, I'm blanching this with a little bit of salt. I'll just add the bamboo shoot. I'm blanching this like just for 15 minutes. That'll be enough. So 15 minutes is over and my blanching is done. I'm going to rinse this and cook together with the peas. Now I have rinsed the bamboo shoot. Now I'm going to pressure cook this together with peas and bamboo shoot together. I'm going to add this much of water. Oops. And a little bit of MSG and cooking soda. This much should do. So I'm going to pressure cook this. Maybe it will take around 20 minutes because pea, it takes a lot of time to cook. I'm going to pressure cook this. Well, now my bamboo shoot and pea is already boiled. So before I go on with this, I will fry this, dry fry this chive. This is chive, so I will dry fry this for the garnish later. My pan is already heating now, so I can, after it's dried, I can add the oil. I have add the oil now, so after when it is hot enough, I'll add the chive. So for the final step, let me chop up some onion while I'm frying the chive. And also, while in the meantime, let me smash this up a little bit, just like this. My chive frying is finished. Now this is all dried. I'm going to remove this and I'm going to use the oil for the rest. Add my onion. Now I'm adding my onions. This is the oil I use for the chive, so it has the aroma from the chive, and I'm going to add the dried chive later on. I'll add the salt now. A little bit of MSG. I'll fry this until it's golden brown. Now my onion is already golden brown, so I can add the bamboo shoot and the peas. Just this is little thick, so I will add a little bit of water. So I'm adding more water. I'll put the lid on and cook this for 16 minutes. Well, now my cooking is all done, so I just need to add the chive which I fried before. I forgot to mention before, you have to stir like not all the time, but you have to be careful because it gets stuck on the bottom sometimes. So just 5 minutes and done. Well, so everything is done. Now I'm going to plate this up. So guys, my Ooty is all done, all ready to eat. So like, if you like my video, please give me a like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching again. Bye bye.